start lesson number 7, features of Excel. So we are using charts in mathematics and even in Excel also we are using. Why we are using these charts? The charts is an effective way to display the data in a pictorial form. And this chart make it easier to draw, and we can compare and analyze the growth, relationship and trends among the values in a range. Now I will tell you the data sheet. When you insert a chart, the data is displayed in a special window called data sheet. Now how to insert a chart? Now I will explain you. See here, for example, now I want to insert a chart. Just select the data which you are created and move to insert. Here insert, we are having different types of charts, right? Line chart we are having, column chart, line chart, bar chart. Which one we want? Just we have to insert it. First I will insert what? A line chart. This is my line chart. Okay, this is a special window called what? A data sheet. Here, this window is called what? Data sheet. Now, next we learn about the components of chart. Here I took one example of a chart, and we are having the various components of charts are shown in the given figure. See here is what chart area. Chart area, first this is 1. It is indicate this is a chart area and it includes the area and object in a chart. Next one is category axis. This one. Second, Arshia, Vinod, Monica, Aman. These all are what? Category axis. Now value axis, or else we know it as y-axis. It's a vertical axis used in the plot value. This is we are using to plotting the values. We are using y-axis. And this data series, these bars, okay, bars or slices, other elements that represents the data values. We can find if you're 98 are represented with that 75, 80. With the help of these bars and slices, we can represent the data values. And this is a category name. This is Arshia, Vinu. These are category names which are displayed in the x and y axis. And the plot area, it is a window. Okay, here it is a plot area. Is a window within a chart which contains the actual chart, and it includes the plotted data series, category, value axis as well. And see here the legends, it depicts the color and pattern or symbols assigned to the data series. Okay, next we are using commonly we are using the charts like column chart, bar chart, line chart and pie chart. And this column chart commonly use the chart type to display the data in the form of vertical bars. It shows the data change over a period of time or comparison among the different data items. Bar chart, this display the data in the form of rectangular rows, also called bars, and they are placed vertically. You can see the figure, even horizontally also on the chart. A bar chart illustrates the comparison among the individual items, and this is a line chart. The chart is in the form of lines. It's a very similar to plotting the graphs on a graph paper with its values on x-axis and y-axis. A line chart uses the disconnecting with the help of these connecting dots to display the trend in a data over a long time. Last one is pie chart. This chart is displayed in the form of circle that makes a data series to the sum of items. It always shows only one data series and is useful when you want to emphasize on a significant element. Next, formatting the chart. What is the formatting? Now we want to change formatting. It will improve the appearance of a chart. What type of changes we can make? We can format the chart by adding the title, changing the text, font line, color, width, border style, legends, data series, etc. And you can also change the numbers on the values axis, hide or show grid line, etc. Okay, now I will show one example how to change the background color. How to change the background color of this colors and patterns. Say for example, now we want to change the plot area. Here it's a plot area. This is my plot area. I want to change the color and pattern. Just select the plot area, right click, and here you have to select format plot area. Okay, here you have to select format plot area, and what you have to do, just in the format you want to fill which solid color you want, with the back blue color, yellow color, which you want, just you can select it. Yellow color I will select it. Okay, like this we can change the color. Okay, now next same thing, we can format. See, a legend is a box that identifies a pattern or a color assigned to a data series in a chart, and it helps in the reading chart accurately. And legends mostly appearance on the right of a chart, and you can place them anywhere as per your choice. And you can format the text, background, boundary, color of the legend, right click legend in the format legend option. And the format legend dialog box will be open, and which type of, here I given in the figure, this box will be displayed, and with the dash type which you want to select any style, width of the border style we can select it. Like this we can change in the format in the legend. And next one is changing the value axis. So if you want to change the value axis, okay, for example, these are the value axis. Okay, this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. For example, if you want to change the any axis, okay, format. Okay, format axis. Here we'll get water colors. If you want to change any major, minimum, whatever you want to make a changes from automatic, we can axis value from where you start. That everything we can make a changes. We can change it in the, and formatting the data series. For example, this is a data series. This sizes I want to change. So select format data series. Okay, and here which, for example, if you want to change the color, like just solid fill you select. Okay, no fill if you select, and in that color you have to select. Okay, from that color which can solid fill, here color you select here. Okay, red color. Like this we can change the format the data series. Now finally, consolidating of the sheet. Consolidating means what? Combining the sheet. Consolidating means what? Combining the sheet. You can combine the data or various ranges either in the same or different worksheet. See here, what you have to do, first already I created two sheets. Okay, in Excel I created two sheets. One is sheet 1, it is having the first quarter sales of 2013, and in sheet 2 it is contain first quarter of sales of 2013. So how to combine the sheet? What you have to do, first combining the sheet, select sheet 3. Okay, go to data. Okay, go to data, consolidate. Okay, consolidate. Consolidate. Now you select open sheet 1, select the data of this one. Okay, add here, and sheet 2 open, and select the data in a data and add and click on OK. The data will be calculated, it will be displayed in the sheet 3. Okay, it will be displayed in the sheet. You can see here 1350, 2400. Like this we can combine the sheets in the this one. Here we finish advanced features of Excel. Thank you. Have a nice day.